dinner here. The view and the view.
It's a good spot.
Yeah. We like it. We like it. It's close to work. The space is nice, but we just needed more space in the room, not just one bedroom. This is the gym.
Back to that.
Okay.
This side is facing north, so you should be able to see the airplanes going throughout the day.
Oh gosh.
Which is my favorite side personally. You have a different preference?
Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is bigger. This is the bedroom, right? Oh, there are two beds. Babe, this is nice. I know, you see the planes. There. And the balcony is big too. And the mountains. The view of the mountains as well. Mountain view, city view, water view. I love how big this is.
This is a 2-bed, 2-bath facing. I'm sorry. This is a 2-bed facing east.
One bedroom with a den. This is the bedroom. Oh wait, is this the... Oh, this is the den. And the bedroom is the other one. Okay. I really love how bright it is. The sunlight. I like the floor to ceiling
Oh my
windows.
goodness. You came like the first half of the morning because the sun's like rises from this side. Super, super bright. Which is already bright because of the.
Oh wow.
So this is facing south and west. In front of you would be south.
Oh, this has
and
the
then over here
space.
is west.
Yeah, this has the space you're talking about. Oh, I
And
love
see,
it.
It has more like a delivery for your have that.
Oh wow. And you said this is 31?
37.
37 right now, and then eventually?
I have other ones coming out at 31.
Oh, okay. Oh wow. What is this? Oh, the bathroom. 1.5 bath. Laundry. This is full bath. Another bedroom. And another bedroom. So we're sharing one. Oh, there you go. So sharing one bathroom. How many bedroom is this again?
2-2.
Two, okay. Oh, okay, two. It's spacious. Bedroom. Closet. Oh, walk-in closet. Okay. Another room. And bathroom. This is probably the master's. And more storage. Dining. Oh, the kitchen is big.
This particular floor plan is a kitchen, window in the kitchen. A lot of people like that.
Yeah. Oh, this
And
one
most
too.
of this style faces the golf course.
And the patio. Recording. So the tub is big. That's good. Was there a tub on the other one? I didn't notice. I think there is.
Which one?
On the other bedroom, did you check?
I think so.
And walk-in closet too. This room is bigger. And I like the arch. Oh, it's nice. It's bright. What is this? Bathroom? Oh, the room. This is the door to the garage. 2-car garage and some storage. 2-car garage, babe. What is that storage room? Closet. High ceiling. Dining. So you guys are providing the appliances too, right? Okay. Oh, it's a big patio. Wow. And there's like extra parking spaces there. I like the terrace that opens up both. It makes it look wider instead of wall. I love it. More storage. The bathroom. Just a bit dated, but we can put something in here. Rooms, 3 bedrooms. That's the master's. Oh, that's the one with walk-in closet. Nice neighborhood. Nice. I mean, you can just put stuff in here. I like how open it is, and it's all white. Oh, this one's big. This is the master's. I love the big window. Oh my god, the view! And then this one too. Oh, I like the tub. It's big. Oh my gosh, the closet. Babe. I love it. And it's nice that it's a corner lot. Yeah. And I like that it's high ceiling too.
That's so weird.
That's okay. We know messy things. You can turn on the
Oh,
light.
it's just a room and bathroom.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
nice.
Where's the light? Oh, there. this is big. This is big.
There's a lot going on here for sure.
And then this is a cafe. Pool. Okay.
Over here as well.
Okay. Oh, that's a lap pool. Okay.
They have the golden shoes.
Bowling.
Shuffleboard.
Oh wow. Oh wow. So you can reserve for parties,
You can, yes.
and then this bowling you can just use
Yes, this
anytime.
is going to be separate, yeah. If you
Oh,
reserve
wow.
the clubhouse, this is still first come, first served.
Okay. Boardroom is you can use anytime. And then what is the cloud? Like
Yeah.
study room or whatever? Oh, this is nice. Oh wow. Okay, I'm sold. This, oh my god, this area. Oh wow. Oh my gosh.
We also have the Riviera, and they're all saltwater.
Oh, there's hot water. Oh, nice.
It's supposed to be good for your skin.
And this is 1272 square feet.
It's high ceiling. No. Oh, it is. Yes. Oh, it's a master. And then the walk-in closet. Oh, bathroom is nice. It's wood.